Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 11F and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It's up to you. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me choose maybe this one and tap on the edit icon in the right upper corner, so this pencil icon. Let me quickly remove the photo. This is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's simply tap on the circle or add picture. And now we've been transferred to some sections from which we can choose the picture, the photo. In the device photos, we've got the camera option. So after choosing it, your device will open the camera app. This is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. And if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, you can choose something from the gallery. So from previously taken photos, here we've got Google Photos, which are backed up, and the illustrations, which means that here you've got some free of charge options, graphics, which you can download and apply as the contact photo. So that's a nice option. If you do not have the photo of this specific person, you can try to find something which resembles her, him, or whatever, or which is quite suitable for that person. But let me choose something from the device photos, the gallery. Let me choose this photo. So just find the photo and tap on it, and here in this step you can position this photo, you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so let's tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you can see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.